63.731. Multiple beam road lighting equipment, distribution of light, beam indicator. Except as hereinafter provided in this chapter, the headlamp or the auxiliary driving lamp or the auxiliary passing lamp or combinations thereof on motor vehicles other than a motorcycle or motor driven cycle shall be so arranged that the driver may control the selection between distribution of the light projected to different elevations, subject to the following requirements and limitations. A. There shall be an uppermost distribution of light or composite beam so aimed and of such intensity as to reveal persons and vehicles at a distance of at least 350 feet ahead for all conditions of loading. B. There shall be lowermost distribution of light or composite beam so aimed in sufficient intensity to reveal persons and vehicles at a distance of at least 100 feet ahead and on a straight level road under any condition of loading. None of the high intensity portion of the beam shall be directed to strike the eyes of approaching driver. Every new motor vehicle other than a motorcycle or motor driven cycle registered in this state after January 1st, 1954, which has multiple beam road lighting equipment, shall be equipped with a beam indicator, which shall be lighted within the uppermost distribution of light from the headlamps is in use. Shall not otherwise be lighted. Said indicator shall be so designed and located that when lighted, it will be readily visible without glare to the driver of the vehicle so equipped. Right there saying that you have your high and your low beam lights. And the indicator light that he's talked about is normally when you have your high beams on, there'll be a blue indicator inside of the dash or the gauge panel saying that your high beams are on. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's keep this going. Comment below anything you want to know. And thank you for watching and have a great day.